Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. We do love visitors, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much guys for always getting time to come and watch my content. And to my gang, you guys, I love you the most. So guys, I've been unwell for the last 2 days. So my fridge is so disorganized. I've been just throwing things here and there. I was not in the right state of mind to do anything, so I've just been packing things carelessly in my fridge. As you can see, I have lots of greens here that needs to be prepped. I have some sukuma wiki over here. Down here I also have yani this thing is just confused, so I want to remove everything. Let me can see. So I want to remove everything and clean the fridge, then I'll organize it again with you guys. So I've decided to take you along. Maybe I might encourage mom out there whose fridge is like this one here. At least you get motivated to do something on yours. So guys, I'm just going to remove everything from this place. I will prep these greens over here, then I'll show you how I'll go and how I'll store them. So keep me company guys as I cleaning and organization of this fridge.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
So guys, these are the vegetables. We have cowpeas over here. These are managu. We also have some pumpkin leaves here. Can see they had even started going bad, but I'll sort them out. Not all of them are this way. Then we have some sukuma wiki over here. This one I'm going to kuziosha na nizikatekate, then I'll show you how I'm going to store them. We also have this terere. I don't know how it's being called in English. Some tomatoes, carrots and hoho. Yeah, hizi ziko sawa sawa. So the only thing that zimeharibika are the cabbages. This some yogurts, githeri here, have some beans, beef. I'm going to store everything guys. Today I have the energy, so I'm going to just organize my fridge well so that it can be neat guys. Neat. So let me start by washing these vegetables. I prep them, then I'll show you guys how I'm going to store them. Okay, so guys, my cabbages went bad. I don't know why. Can you see? Na nimeirap kwa cling film. Can you let me know how you usually store your cabbages in the comment section guys? Kindly see. This is just a waste. Though imekaa for 1 week, but I expected it to go for longer. See? Can you let me know in the comment section how you usually preserve your cabbage? Juu nilikuwa nimeifunga hivi na hii cling film na nikaiweka hapo side ya kuweka vegetable. So I don't know what happened really. Okay. It's just, and the way economy is bad. See? So guys, the next thing I was going to do was to remove these fridge compatibles and wash them. So they are the ones you are seeing there zilinishinda kutoa. They were really hard and I didn't want to break them. These things are really fragile and very complicated, so ukizilazimisha kutoa you can break them. So I just decided to remove the ones that were removable. Zenye zilinishinda niliziacha hapo, so that when wiping the fridge I'll just wipe them off. So this is me here washing the ones that zilikubali kutoka. These things are really complicated and one needs time and to be very careful when handling these things. So guys, let me finish washing, then I'll see you when I'll be wiping the fridge.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
guys, this is everything I'm going to store inside my fridge. This is everything. There are a lot. I'm really sorted out for a month plus. I'm really sorted. So other things here were I just removed them from the fridge, and others are like the beans, the ndengus, and these vegetables nimetengeneza leo. So these are fresh ones. So the only thing that in top of fridge is this peas and this chicken, but all these other ones nimezipika. I've prepped them today. So for the meat, I'm just going to store them this way. I'm not going to boil them, so I'll just store them this way. Then ile siku tunataka kupika, I'll just cook it then. But for now, that's the way I'm going to store them. So these are my greens. You can see. So in cereals, I'm really sorted. I'm really sorted. There are a lot. My githeri is over there. I'm really sorted, guys, with cereals and vegetables. So this is sukuma wiki. So someone told me to steam, alafu nidunge mashimo for air to get in ndo isiharibike. So I've just nimeka kwa hii polythene to just experiment and know how long it will take me before it goes bad. Or she advised me not to put the sukuma wiki in these containers. It is itaharibika. So it needs an open air. So that's why nimeka kwa hii polythene and nikadunga tushimo. So I hope it will last. Yeah. So guys, let me put everything here inside the fridge. Then I'll show you the final look of the fridge.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
Then on top, nitaekelea hii the vegetable. Yeah. So that's on top of it. This is the freezer. So on this other part of the freezer too, this is what we have. And on the lower part, this is where I stored my sukuma wiki. The other things are there. So this is the lower part. I have my fruits over here. Some grapes. This is a leftover food for yesterday. Yeah. Down here we have some milk. Upper, some lemons. Kindly guys, let me know how you usually store your lemons. Yeah, that's the only thing giving me pressure right now. I don't know how to store them. Kindly let me know in the comment section how you usually do it. And then on the lower part, this is what we have. Yeah, so that is it. So on this other side, that's how I arranged everything. So guys, if you've been able to watch my videos till here, thank you so much guys, and may God continue blessing you. Thank you, I really appreciate your time. Gang, may God continue blessing you, blessing your channels to grow each and every day. To the new ones who have just clicked on this video today, kindly don't forget to subscribe. To my returnees, you too, be blessed. So guys, this is the end of it. This is everything that I wanted to share with you, and my fridge is now clean and I'm so happy. So guys, till next time, bye bye, and be blessed more and more each day. Till we meet on the next one, guys, bye.